Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be discussing about Bitcoin, what's happening with the market. Finally, the FOMC coming on Wednesday, which is going to decide the future of Bitcoin for the next 5 to 10 years. I'm just joking, guys. It's not gonna decide anything like crazy, more like short term than long term. But it's gonna be an interesting event to see, what we're gonna do and where we're gonna go for the next, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks. Straight away, I want to cut the chase today and just show you what's happening with the chart right now. So Bitcoin broke, we went up to $69,000 and 200. I was expecting, to be honest, a bit more of a pullback up to 70,500. We didn't get that. We only got to 69,200, which was already fair enough, to call this bottom here and to make 6.5%. But right now, seems like we are going down again. So there are a few things that you have to take into consideration. Number one is going to be, I'm going to go and cancel this and just put down like a naked chart, which is my favorite. So I'm going to show you exactly what I think it could be happening right now with Bitcoin. So first of all, now this thing doesn't work. I'm going to go on the 4 hours so you can see very well what we have to have a look at. So I'm going to go from here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So at the moment, Bitcoin is just going down. Looks like it could be forming what we call a bear flag, and we could see like a continuation to the downside. So first of all, I'm going to just show you from here that we broke this very important level of support around this area. So I was expecting it to climb back to 70,000. Didn't happen, so we're going to keep going down. So first of all, we got this level of resistance over here, diagonal resistance. Then you might have another level from here. Can you see where I'm coming from? And then what could be happening right now, it could be that we're going to dump around this area over here. So what I can do, I can just go here, put this line over here, bring it here. It brings me exactly by Tuesday or Wednesday a target of $62,000, which again is in correspondence to the channel over here. So then I'm going to go and put my support and resistance. So we have a big resistance, big support over here at this level. Also, let's have a look even if the Fibonacci can actually confirm this area as well. So yeah, we got roughly the 0.5 Fibonacci to the 0.618. So in between 62,000 to 59,000, that's where I'm expecting the price of Bitcoin to fall into, probably more into, I would say, $60,000, $59,000. Well, so looking at this, guys, I mean, first of all, the double bottom could actually happen. I want to show you what is a double bottom. So right now, Bitcoin is going down. So what I could be expecting will be the scenario I showed you before, or I could also be expecting something like this. So we have one bottom over here, another bottom over here, and then if this is going to play out, we're going to see this double bottom play out like that, then we could see actually the price to go back to this area. Because remember, with the double bottom, always, if you want to calculate the target, you should just go from here to here, bring it up to this way, and it brings you to the previous target of $74,000. But of course, if we're going to break this level over here, the next target could be $62,000 ish, even, which is quite interesting as well. If you look at the 4-hour chart on the RSI, even if we're going to dip a little bit more this way, 63,000, we might see a bearish divergence, bullish divergence on the RSI, which of course could signify some strength into the market. But right now, I believe that Jerome Powell is going to talk hawkish on during the FOMC, which is, by the way, is Wednesday morning in the United States, and is going to be in Australia at night. So it could be happening that by, I would say, Wednesday to Thursday, we could see like another sell-off, because even at the moment, guys, I mean, look at the RSI on the daily, we are still like in the 50 area. So I guess the most hypothetical scenario would be a big dump around this area over here, and then boom to the upside, or we could see the double bottom I was talking before, maybe something like that, and then to continue to go up. But again, I don't think we're going to go that low to 57, 58,000. And what I'm going to do myself, guys, I started to buy, to be honest, from 65,000, I started to buy. So I'm buying one Bitcoin every $2,000 we're going to drop. So if you're going to drop, for example, I'm buying right now at 60, 65, one Bitcoin, 63, one Bitcoin, and then another one Bitcoin, and I'm gonna keep going until $53,000. because I don't care, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to DCA, and then once it's going to explode to the upside, of course, I'm going to make a very good amount of money. So that's it, for Bitcoin today. Nothing has changed. I would say again, before going long, you need to have a look at this double bottom if it's going to play out, but also remember that we are still in this channel over here. So where I think I will buy would be at the bottom of the channel. So if it's going to go down, let's say, and touch this level over here, then probably where I will go and open a long position at 62,000, or if you're going to be able to break this this channel over here, maybe you could buy at the break over here or at the retest of the break from here. So let's see, what's going to happen in the next 1 to 2 days. So now, one of my latest members is asking me about Gala USDT, which I'm going to show him today what I think is going to be happening with Gala. So I'm going to just open the chart so we can see very well. So Gala, it's incredible. We drew this chart over here a few days ago, and I said, oh my God, that's incredible. So I was expecting, to be honest, a bull flag like this ABCD pattern to go and continue to go to the upside from here. But what happened is we touched this level of support we were talking about before here. We made, so I'm going to go long from here, a 12% on this trade here. But then it touched again this channel over here, and then it went down. So for Gala, what I'm expecting right now will be the following. So I want to see from here, I'm just going to go on the daily chart just to have a better understanding with Gala Games, which I believe, guys, is a great coin with a crazy upside potential. So Gala, I think that we could see a level of support from here, another level of support around this area. So Gala looks like it wants to break a little bit lower, to be honest. I mean, if Bitcoin is going to go to $62,000, which I'm expecting to, then we could see Gala, of course, continue to go down this way in this channel, touch maybe the 0.04, and then of course to push to the upside again. So I will definitely open a long position. Otherwise, what we might see with Gala would be if Bitcoin is going to form the double bottom I was talking about, there could be a big push from this area over here of support, and then what we might see will be, I'm going to show you a bit better, again, push from this area then up to this area if Bitcoin, of course, is going to play out forming a double bottom after the FOMC meeting. So first target could be around 0.05, otherwise 0.04 could be my next target. So how am I going to trade the Gala? Well, again, very low leverage, maybe like a 2x, 3x leverage, playing with, always enter with a third of your desired position. Don't enter with everything because market can always dip. We don't have the certainty 100%, but this is going to be the area of interest for me at the moment. I can also draw a Fibonacci retracement from here. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, I mean the 0.618 brings me to the 0.04. So I would be expecting like as a second target, first target is going to be over here. If we break this one, we're going to go down to this level. And if you're going to go down to this level, again, put in lots of money around here, then more money over here, and then even more money around this area. But again, best, I would say, target, what I'm really thinking about it, would be around this area 0.04 in case Bitcoin is going to dump on us. But again, have a look at Bitcoin first before making any decision with altcoins, because Bitcoin is always the leader, always leads, and altcoins follow. So that's it for Gala. At the moment, I just want to see something else on the 1 hour chart, a little bit better to see where we are. So I'm going to go and also put my RSI. I mean, Gala is extremely oversold right now, so we might see maybe short term a little bit of a pullback. But remember that we are in this channel over here. So the channel, I'm going to put it down again. Here we go. And then we can see that one channel here, another resistance over here, and then we go this channel around here. So what we're going to see with Gala, right, we're going to see a reaction around this area over here. So if it's going to go down to 0.05, you want to see a reaction potentially going from this level over here, then this way, and then potentially go up again around this area. But then we want to see that break of this channel over here. And once we break the channel, of course, there's going to be an explosive move, and it's going to bring us to higher levels as well. You can go like, you know, from here to here, but and then it can bring us to a target of roughly 0.10, which is like a oh my gosh, a 2x from here, which is fantastic. And the next one, the last one I want to show you today, guys, which I think is going to go, oh my gosh, incredibly well. Fetch AI. Fetch AI 2.30, target from here at roughly $2. So if Bitcoin decides to go to 62,000, then Fetch AI could be easily going down to $2, but that could be for me a buy the dip event, because then I'm expecting this bull flag to play out similar to the call we had on Solana, which we were right, and then Fetch in the next few months to go up as, you know, $5. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to place a video because I'm flying to Qatar from Sydney. It's a 15 hours and a half flight, and I'll try my best to keep you updated. Of course, you know, with the private FTA community. We're going to be there, like, you know, placing trades and discussing, but for you know, updates on webinars, I'll probably have to tomorrow to see how things are gonna play out. But just remember, Wednesday I'm gonna be there with you. Let's see what happens during the FMC meeting, and then we decide, you know, which direction we are going to take. Take care. I'm gonna see you in the next video.